Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to edit location of our trusted places in a smart lock in Samsung S22. Where to look for this option and how to change it. We need to go to Settings, then Lock Screen, and here we have our smart lock menu. Of course, we need to input our super secret password. And here we have trusted places. We have now one place added. This is address of our shop. To edit it, we simply tap address. We can have multiple, of course. We can change name. As you can see, also we can change our address by moving or inputting it manually. And that's basically it. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.